Lagos is Nigeria's main gateway to the world. For decades, the Murtala Muhammed International Airport have handled passenger volumes far beyond what it was originally built to support. In recent years, Lagos has embarked on deliberate airport upgrade program aimed at modernizing infrastructure, improving passenger experience, and positioning Lagos City as a leading aviation hub in West Africa. These upgrades go far beyond aesthetics. They are strategic investments designed to strengthen tourism, unlock business growth, improve logistics, and support Lagos's wider economic vision in an increasingly connected global economy. In July 2025, this ambition took a major leap forward when the Federal Executive Council approved a landmark 712 billion naira rehabilitation and modernization of Terminal 1 at the Murtala Muhammed International Airport, built in 1979. Built in 1979, Terminal 1 is Nigeria's oldest international terminal and the busiest in the country, which is long overdue for a complete transformation. As of today, December 29th, 2025, construction is officially underway and progress is already visible on ground. The project, contracted to China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation, involves stripping the Terminal 1 to its structural frame and rebuilding it with new mechanical, electrical, and plumbing infrastructure, alongside expansion works on Terminal 2, apron areas, access roads, and bridges. Importantly, this upgrade forms part of a broader national 900 billion naira aviation infrastructure reform program, signaling a coordinated effort to reposition Nigeria's aviation sector for the future. The vision is clear: to transform Murtala Muhammed International Airport into a truly world-class facility and a regional aviation leader.
Hello, travelers. I am Henry Agbebire, Director of Public Affairs and Consumer Protection at the Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria. Thank you for passing through the Murtala Muhammed International Airports. We know the increased traffic and the upgrade of Terminal 1 have created some discomforts. We see it, we hear you, and we appreciate your patience. Our teams are working round the clock to ensure your pain is eased, to improve the queues, and to support everyone moving through the airport. These challenges are temporary. They are part of building the world-class airport you deserve. If you are arriving through Terminal 2, e-gates are now available for the following airlines: Air Peace from London, British Airways, South African Airways, Middle East Airlines, Qatar Airways. Integration for other airlines will be completed soon, and we are excited to expand this experience. If you are coming to pick someone up, we kindly ask that you wait until they've collected their luggage and are already outside before coming into the official pickup zone. This small step helps reduce congestion and keeps traffic flowing for everyone. And for those departing, please arrive at least 3 hours before your flight. It gives you enough time to check in, clear security, and travel without stress. We are working hard to manage traffic, guide passengers, and make your movement easier across terminal. MMIA is undergoing a transformation that will soon give you a much better travel experience. The temporary discomfort at Terminal 1 is part of that journey. Thank you for your patience, your calmness, and your understanding. Stay safe, stay patient, and travel on. PAN is committed to ensuring you enjoy your holiday this season. Thank you.
One of the most impactful elements of the project is the complete rehabilitation of Terminal 1. Every aspect of the terminal, its exterior, interior finishes, plumbing systems, mechanical and electrical infrastructure, is being redesigned to align with modern global aviation standards. When completed, the terminal will no longer feel dated or overstretched, but effective, comfortable, and competitive with major international airports. At the same time, Terminal 2 is set for expansion to handle increased international traffic, especially wide-body aircraft. This includes extending boarding bridge zones and enlarging apron spaces. Existing hangars will be relocated to make room for upgraded infrastructure, ensuring smoother aircraft movement and higher operational capacity. Beyond the terminals themselves, the transformation extends to how people move around the airport. A new internal road network is being constructed to significantly reduce congestion and improve vehicular circulation. Another standard feature is the planned skywalk and connection building. This structure will physically link Terminal 1, Terminal 2, and the parking facility into a single integrated complex. The result will be seamless passenger movement, improved coordination between terminals, and a more intuitive airport experience overall. To ensure operations continue smoothly during construction, authorities have announced plans for a temporary departure terminal. Officials have assured travelers that the facility will be clean, organized, and comfortable, maintaining a positive passenger experience even during the transition period. Construction is expected to last 22 months with a strong emphasis on transparency. The minister has stated that civil society groups, the media, and the members of the National Assembly will be invited for regular site inspections to ensure accountability and public trust throughout the project lifecycle. The upgrade also includes a complete redesign of the central square in front of the terminals. This landscape civil space is intended to serve as a welcoming gateway, offering visitors a strong first impression of Lagos and reflecting the city's energy, identity, and national pride. Importantly, contrary to widespread speculations, the project is not being financed through foreign loans. Instead, federal government is funding the redevelopment through the renewed Hope Infrastructure Development Fund, sourced from savings made after the removal of fuel subsidies. This cash-based approach avoids foreign debt and underscores a commitment to sustainable financing.
Commissioned in the year 1979, Murtala Muhammed International Airport (MMIA) in Lagos was the busiest airport and a key international gateway for Nigeria. However, as Nigeria's most important aviation transportation hub, MMIA faces numerous challenges after 50 years of operation, including an inefficient road network, outdated terminal facade and finishes, dilapidated building structure, aging equipment and machinery, a lack of direct access between the two terminal buildings, and restrictions on the development on Terminal 2. To restore the prestige of this international gateway, we are embarking on a journey of renewed hope, undertaking a systemic renovation of MMIA to bring back its former glory and elevate its status on the global stage. First, the inefficient road network will be replaced with two independent ring roads, the outer ring for departures and the inner ring for arrivals. Second, the existing structure of Terminal 1 will be strengthened to improve its integrity. A connection building will link the two terminals, and the skywalk will connect the car park to Terminal 2, ensuring seamless passenger movement within these facilities. Meanwhile, this half-century-old Terminal 1 will undergo comprehensive modernization, featuring an enhanced eagle-inspired architectural design that symbolizes a soaring and hopeful Nigeria. The upgrades will include both interior and exterior enhancements, improved passenger facilities, and advanced mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems to enhance operations and capacity. Terminal 2 will also undergo upgrades, including refurbished platforms, enhanced canopies, expanded boarding fingers, and an enlarged apron for greater efficiency Once completed, passengers at MMIA will enjoy a significantly enhanced travel experience. The redesigned infrastructure will provide well-organized and direct access to the terminal buildings, improving efficiency. Optimized internal circulation will ensure uninterrupted movement for arriving and departing passengers. Additionally, modernized facilities, upgraded amenities, and an aesthetically immersive environment will create a more comfortable, seamless, and enjoyable journey for all travelers. Under the Renewed Hope initiative, we're leveraging global expertise in airport engineering and cutting-edge digital systems to transform MMIA into a safer, smarter, greener, and more efficient aviation hub.
During policy discussions, the minister highlighted that Murtala Muhammed International Airport already generates over 200 billion naira annually. Given its status as Nigeria's busiest and profitable airport, officials project that the renovation cost could be fully recovered within approximately 3 years. Still, the scale of spending has sparked debate. Critics argue that the cost is excessive and questions whether such a large investment is appropriate given Nigeria's socio-economic challenges, and that raises a fair question. This project genuinely looks like a transformative step towards a world-class airport, but is the price tag too high? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. From a strategic perspective, however, modernizing Terminal 1 addresses critical limitations that have long held the airport back. Passenger experience has declined, infrastructure was outdated, and functionality was stretched thin. With international passenger demand far exceeding the terminal's original design capacity, the rebuild aims to bring the airport fully in line with global standards, featuring upgraded check-in decks, expanded aprons for wide-body aircraft, improved ring road access, and a direct passenger bridge connecting to upper departure levels. Officials insist that the Murtala Muhammed International Airport redevelopment is more than just a facelift, it's a declaration of intent. With these upgrades, the airport is expected to stand shoulder to shoulder with leading international facilities, firmly establishing Lagos as a premier aviation hub in West Africa. Ultimately, the project reflects a broader commitment to positioning Nigeria as a serious player in global air travel while delivering comfort, efficiency, and pride to the millions of passengers who pass through Lagos each year. Thank you all for watching to the very end. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.